So today's video tip starts with a confession. I am really forgetful and I can never remember which side of the car my gas tank is on when I go to get gas. Some of you guys might have this problem too. Maybe you share a couple of cars with people in your family, or maybe you just have a new car and don't know where it is. What you may not realize is that your car actually tells you right here on the dash. You know that little gas indicator that lights up when you're low on gas? Well, if you look closely, you can actually see an arrow on it, pointing to the side of your car which the gas tank is on. In this car, for example, it's on the passenger side. So, when you go to the gas station, all you need to do is check the indicator, and you know exactly where you need to go.